Hello, my friends, and welcome. I hope you're doing fine. And today we will have a look at Exercism version 3. They put out version 3, I think it's a couple weeks ago. So let's have a look at it and see how we can, manage through it. So let's go. So in here, you will type exercism, but now it's not .io, it's .org. So they changed from .io to org. As you see here, they say Exercism has moved to exercism.org. All right, but if you say exercism.io, you will automatically come to .org. So no worries. Cool. So the first thing is, okay, give me a second. Let me log in. So before I log in, this is the window if you're not log in. So they changed this completely. So it is nicer. I like this a lot. So it's much nicer than the original one. Yeah, it's cool. So you go here and log in. So let me do this. All right. So if you log in, you will get this welcome window. And basically they will say what's new. So you have learning mode, introduction, blah, 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 repetition, badges, and so on. Okay, we will go through all of that. And you have a little video so you can watch. It's nice, so you can watch it. All right, cool. So let's see. So welcome back. And here are some things you can go through. So basically, you can do everything. Like you can go here and you are here. And if you go back, you can go to tracks and you are at the same window. So you have a lot of like places you can click and go to the same place. All right, so let's focus on here at the top and let's see what changed. So this is our dashboard. So if you click here, this window pops up again. And you are in your dashboard. Okay, so if you want to go to your tracks, you go here, and then you see this is the track you are joining. It says joined, and these are all the other tracks that you can join. All right, so you can search for a language here, and you can filter whatever you want to learn. Cool. So let's go to our track. And in here you can see first you have an overview, then you have the exercises, and then you have an about section. The about section, we can start there. The about section is like about Dart. What is Dart? What is doing? A little bit of reading about that. Then the coding exercises you can do in the Dart track, and like some information about that. It's basically if you want to start to learn a new language and you don't know which language you want to look at, so probably you will say, okay, I'll have a look at Dart and what is Dart, so you can read about that. That's basically it's about window in here. Cool. So let's go back to overview, and in overview you can see here your activities. So these are the exercises that we did until now. So you see space age, and we will do the hemming next video. Cool. So you see these blue things. It says in progress. This is because I downloaded the exercises. So it assumes that I am that I'm doing this exercise. So, but I'm not. So it's only downloaded. So this is why it says in progress, and you can see it here. it's in progress, and then you see the stuff that you already did. Okay. One thing to notice, it says here continue in editor. So what Exercism did now is basically to let you do all your exercises um, in your web browser. So you don't need to have like to download the CLI and then to run the tests and stuff like that. So it's everything in your web browser basically. But so you see here the online editor is not available for this exercise. Solve this exercise locally and submit it via the CLI. So unfortunately for Dart, it's still not working. So the team is trying their best to get this working. So one day, hopefully soon, it will work. But at the moment, it's not working. So at the moment, it's the 28th of September 2021. So it's still not working. It's unfortunate, but we learned how to download the exercises, to solve them, to run the test, and then to upload them. So we're good. Cool. So we did all of that. And if you go here, you see something new as well. You see your mentoring slots. So you can choose two to four, like to four slots. So basically you can say, okay, if you click on this, you select an exercise you want to get mentored, and then you say, oh, I want to be mentored on Bob. So this is what I did. And then I say, okay, please have a look at whatever. Okay. So you submit it, and then the mentor looks over it, and then you get a feedback. So why does this exist? Because let me go back. All right, so this one. Why does mentoring slots exist? So the idea now is that you do all the exercises but by yourself. So you solve them and you move on. So earlier it was like having I said it, I think, in my first exorcism video, that it is like um, it's like working. It's like playing Super Mario. My brain froze. So it's like playing Super Mario. So you have different levels that you need to go. So if you don't finish the level, you cannot go to the next level, and you have a boss at the end of the level. Yeah, or just imagine it's like that. So, and the boss is your mentor, and then it says, okay, you didn't pass, or you passed the exercise. But now, what's the idea is that you solve all the exercises by yourself. And if you're having problems and you don't know how to solve this, or you need some like extra ideas, hey, is this exercise, did I do it good, or do you have a different idea how to solve this exercise? So in that you can, I would say, book a mentor, like to to book a slot here and say, okay, I need an idea how to solve whatever leap, okay, and then you text to the mentor, and the mentor, um, yeah, will text you back, hopefully. Yeah, so that's the idea. And what I understood um, is that you can even ask another person. It's not, even if it's not the mentor, to look above your solution and then give you feedback. So that's what's also happening. So you can do that as well. But if you have a mentor, it's probably the best idea, I will say. if I'm doing this and I want to get feedback, I would like a mentor giving me a feedback. So yeah, so that's all. So here you can see the different mentors and stuff like that. Cool. So let's go to exercises. So by the way, if you want to go like this level things that we did before, so you can go like this. So this is space age. After space age is Hamming. After Hamming is gigasecond, and so on. So you go through it like that. Okay. And if you go to exercises, so the one thing that I'm confused why they did it like this, it's like everything is mixed. So there's no a real path, so it's everything mixed in there. So yeah, you see you have Hamming here, gigasecond here, raindrop here. So it's not like a one line, so you can see it. Basically, you can what I said before. In this window, you can do it like that. So it's kind of linear, so you can go through these things. But I can go like here and go in there and do this exercise. So it's not blocked. So all right. So let's go to exercise again and let's see. So in here you can basically click on this. So it filters out what you can do. So this is the complete, and then you have in progress. You have here available and locked, whatever this one is. All right, so let's choose one exercise like Hamming, or let's go to the one that we did, Twofer. No, let's go first back to one that we didn't solve. Okay, so let's go to Hamming. So if you in here, you get the instructions first, so you can read what you need to do, and then you can download it here by copying this one. Unfortunately, editor doesn't work here. I think in other languages it works already, so Dart is still not working. Cool. So, and then you solve the thing, the exercise, and then you upload it, yada yada. So you know the procedure already. And once you do that, you see your iteration here. So for this, we go back and go to one exercise that we did. Twofer. All right. So you see here overview. So this one is new. Before that, you had only this window. So the instructions. So you see here overview. Okay. You have one iteration. This is your iteration. Because I have one iteration and I uploaded it and stuff like that, you can go to the community solution and look all of these people that solve this their way. And then you can have also mentoring. So if you had mentoring, so you can go here and see what what your mentor did. So if you click in here, you see yeah, the problem is it says question mark, but usually this one it's like an emoji and it doesn't know how to handle the emoji. So yeah. Yeah, so this is an emoji, so don't worry. So you see that this was my mentor mentored, and yeah, has a YouTube channel, so you can watch it. This is the YouTube channel. So this is me basically. All right, so let's go back. Yeah, so basically that's all that you can see here. You can publish your solution if you like to. You can request the mentoring to. Yeah, basically that's all. All right, so Let's go to the track exercise. Exercise. I think we went through all of that. So it's basically not. It's a nice UI now. So it's a lot. It's much more cleaner, and you see the things more like it's visible at your face. So like, yeah, okay, this is instructions. This is how you do it and stuff like that. Um, all the other things, like if you go down here, get help, it's installing the CLI. It's still the same interactive CLI walkthrough. So if we go there, so you see here, if I have a Mac and then I want to use a terminal, it's all the same. Nothing changed until now. So cool. Let's go back. Mm, um, Up here, so we went through dashboard tracks. Mentoring is if you want to be a mentor, so you can do that as well. So all of this, how it works, it's like people helping people. So it's not like people get paid to be mentors. It's mentors who spend their free time helping other people. So that's all of that. So you can become a mentor and then mentor the Dart track. Cool. So he's the CEO. So he gives you some ideas, and then you have contribute thing. So in here there are some issues they're still working on. So you can see here explore tasks. So you see all of that. Let's see what's happening under Dart. So there are some stuff that need to be done in here. So for example, check docs are up to date. So if you go there, it says here, okay, these are the docs, they need to be updated and stuff like that. But you don't need to worry about this. I think this is more for like people helping out Exercism to be, more, to be better. For example, all the mentors and stuff like that. But if you have like good ability to do one of these, you're welcome. So and here are the contributions, the people did some stuff. All right, and the last thing is donate. If you want to donate like one time or monthly or stuff like that, if you find Exercism nice, you can donate. Cool. So let's go in here. Here is you get all the notifications. I don't have notification at the moment, so if a mentor like replies to you, you see them in the notification in here, and so on. And this one is also interesting. If you earn badges if you do some stuff. If you like, I went here, and this is the first badge I get. And if you click here, you can see how you earn these badges and repetitions. And yeah, it's a nice thing to have you like to give you motivation to keep in track and go on and stuff like that. Maybe they will have in the future some rewards, but at the moment it's like, okay, it gives you it keeps you motivated to do this stuff. They have also badges like rookie if you started, whatever, and then member, and then you get a lot of badges as you go on. Cool. So let's go back to the dashboard. Yeah, basically that's it. They have a YouTube channel if you want to go there, or Twitter, or GitHub, or whatever. So yeah, basically that's it. I hope this helps. And stay motivated, keep doing, keep learning, keep going on, and never give up. So this is me, Steve, signing out. Cheers. Bye. Whatever language you like.